This is probably one of the best and most useful GoPro accessories I've had my hands on. This is pretty sick. I'm Corbin Blanton and welcome to the channel. Why don't you hang out for a bit? Alright, here I have a little product from Cine made by ZG Cine. It's a GoPro battery charger that can charge up to 3 batteries at once. It even charges older style batteries using these little inserts. But the cool part about this is that it offers so much more than your typical battery charger. It has 4 slots inside the top of the cover to store your GoPro's micro SD cards. And here's the best part, you ready for it? It has a 10,400 milliamp rechargeable built-in battery, which means one thing, it's also portable, which is awesome and incredibly useful. Oh yeah. It has LED lights on the front showing you when the GoPro batteries have been charged and also how much battery percentage the case itself has left. This thing is pretty dope. The charger has a built-in safety integrated circuit with multiple self-protection functions, so it's very safe and stable. When this bad boy is fully charged, it can simultaneously fully charge 3 GoPro batteries 4 to 6 times over, depending on what model. It comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable and a USB-C to a standard USB cable. You can also plug things you want to charge into the back of it, like your phone for example. Talk about useful. On top of all this, you can get this for under $50. This should be way more. Under 50 bucks for this thing? Seriously though, this is definitely something worth checking out, and it's honestly one of the most useful GoPro accessories that I've had in my hands. Alright, that's all I got for you in this one. If you want to check out a really good accessory review channel, check out Danny Black on YouTube. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below, but he does a lot of really well done video reviews of GoPro accessories and other camera accessories, so check him out. In the meantime, let me know what you think in the comments about this charger. And if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and hit that like button for more videos like this and just GoPro content in general. I'll see you in the next one.